So here's how you can clear iPad storage if it's showing that it's full. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So obviously we have two types of storage which you get a notification from. Like we have the iCloud storage, so you can tap on your settings profile and iCloud and you see the breakdown of the storage in here. That's a separate thing because it's on the cloud and by default only 5 GB. So you can like delete stuff which is taking up the cloud storage. But I'm mentioning this because you also likely get a notifications that your iCloud is getting full, right? So at least in my case, I do get them. But outside of that, we also have the local storage, and the information about that can be found in the general section and the iPad storage. And in this case, kind of the same scenario with the difference that it's obviously much larger in here, and you can see the breakdown of what's taking up the storage. So obviously I have like the apps, photos, and even like system data and iPad OS. Those always have to be there. Sometimes it's taking up a much like bigger piece of this. So some people see that system data is like half of the storage, which is a little bit of a problem that would require a different solution. But if it's okay like this, you can scroll through all of the like first of all recommendations, so I can offload unused apps or review some large photos or duplicates or some stuff which I don't need. And then below I have the individual apps which I can delete or offload. So I can see that I have the amount of apps which I do, and I can see how much they are taking up the storage. So I can decide that some app which I haven't even used, I can like turn it off. I mean, delete it fully, and then it's gonna free up the storage on my device. So that is the general blueprint behind it. I really hope I was able to assist you with it and explain it. So thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next videos too.